Free businesses that actually make sense right now. If I had to start from zero today, these are the top 3 types of businesses I would look at. Not because they're easy, but because they actually make sense. Business 1 is skill based online service, for example, with AI or without AI. Editing, design, marketing, automation, and copywriting, for example. Anything where you solve a problem for someone and get paid for the result. So, the reason this works simple and is for everyone very made able, and you have low startup costs, high demand, and you get paid for value, not for time. You don't need a big audience, you don't need money, you need a useful skill. Then we have content creation. Wow. The second is then content creation combined with disruptions. The most people focus on content, very few people focus on disruption. If you can get attention and direct somewhere valuable, you have a leverage. This could be social media, it could be YouTube, it could be newsletters. Attention is the asset, the platform is just the tool. Business 3, digital products or systems. The third one is digital products and systems, anything that can be can build once and sold multiple times. Templates, frameworks, simply software automations. Also an app. For example, it's like the same. This takes longer to set up and it's definitely harder work, but it removes the saying. Why this 3? All 3 have something in common. They scale with skill, not with hours. They work online, they are flexible, and they are free to learn in SkyCommerce. You can join right now. It's in the description. And yes, you're gonna have the chance to learn it free there. And they don't require permission. Warning: most people fail not because the business model is bad. They fail because they jump between models. Because if you jump, you have to repeat it new and new and new. Just do it. Just do one thing or a combined thing. For example, if you build a system where you gonna sell katas, for example, you have these katas in your agency and you're gonna sell the cutting service. You're just the middleman and not the cutter or the buyer. That's the system. So you don't need a perfect idea to start. For more business ideas or tips, join SkyCommerce because it's free. I said it in every video, but join for real. We building that's right now up. And maybe you're the first one. No, you're not the first one, but one of the first. Just choose one of this and you're gonna make money. You're gonna make 100% enough money to start another business where you need money. Because everyone can learn cutting in 3 hours, I think. I could learn cutting very good. And then you can sell a video of 5 minutes for $20 or 30 or 50. It's just in your hand to change something. That was all. I think you heard it. The top 3, and it gives more and better ones, but they are in SkyCommerce, and maybe another video comes out, but I'm gonna tell you it not right now. You have to subscribe and be active, and then you're gonna see the new videos.